Hey guys, my unit wasn't working. Figured I'd go outside and check it, and just want to show you this. It's a pretty common issue. It's one that you could probably self-diagnose if you could get into the cabinet. Obviously, you want to shut off the circuit breaker before you ever do that, before you ever touch anything. But you see how this capacitor, it's like bulging out. Kind of see how it's bulging out. You can even see it around like the edges. That's never good sign. Pretty much a sure thing that the capacitor is bad. But just want to show you that. Nothing major, but it's an obvious one if you're at home. Doesn't mean that you change it out or anything like that. I mean, definitely call a professional to do that. But it's something that you could at least have an idea of what's going on and what kind of fix your air conditioner is going to need if it's not running. So give us a call if you see this. Thanks. Bye.